So I have a little time to go over some more stuff on the weather, since my lawnmower won't work right. Who would have thought you'd buy a lawnmower from a pawn shop and it's not exactly the best piece of equipment? Well, lesson learned. Anyway, here's our current situation. We have that low over the middle part of the country right now, and we can see our the southern low starting to form up here in the right around Florida. What we'll see is this storm here is going to be our main storm as it goes up the coast, while this one weakens, and this one's going to bomb out, as I'll show you later, and right along the east coast here, and drop copious amounts of precipitation across Pennsylvania. So here's what we're looking at right now. Currently, we have our weaker low out here, and the low that's actually going to go up the coast is just now starting to form right around here. And you'll see as we go ahead in time how this one just starts to bomb and grow rapidly as it goes up along the coast. So this is this afternoon and later tonight. And right around here is roughly midnight, 2 o'clock. And you see the center of the storm is right about here. And we start to see these yellows and oranges show up around eastern PA. That's where we're going to start seeing our heaviest snowfall right in through the morning hours. There's 8 a.m. right there. It's about 11 a.m. and then 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So the heaviest is going to fall overnight, and we're talking about 1 to 2 inches per hour on generally. And there could be periods in there where we see up to 3 inches per hour. And it wouldn't surprise me if you didn't hear a rumble of thunder or two as well. So let's get to the real eye candy here. This is basically a model depiction of what the radar might look like as time goes on, and I'm going to stop right about here. This is about 11 o'clock tonight. We start to see some returns showing up here. It's probably going to take a little while for some of this to reach the ground with the dry air in place, but I think just after midnight, things start to pick up. This is 2 a.m., going into the morning, lots of yellow, which means heavy snow. And it's going to go right on through. This is 10 a.m. And we'll have some heaviest snow will be coming to an end late morning, but we'll have some wraparound moisture and precipitation all the way through the afternoon with some light snow continuing to add to the totals. This is what we all want to see, though. Here's some totals. This is one of the models that's going kind of bonkers and definitely on the high end of what we might see. So as we go through here, this is 8 a.m. According to this, could be 15 inches of snow on the ground by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. And as we go through, this is tomorrow about 2 p.m. and it's got 22 inches and some light snow through the afternoon, bringing us up to possibly 2 feet. Another model here. This is pretty much the same. It's going to show us the same type of thing. Same time frames, and this one also goes kind of bonkers. This is 11 a.m., about 20 inches, and again through the rest of the day, that's about 2 feet right there. Notice this particular model thinks that we're going to be right in the bullseye. This is an ensemble. Basically what that means, this is the average of a bunch of different models put together. So I'm going to start 18 hours out here, and this is basically showing nothing. This is a 12-hour average. So I'm going to go to 30, and this is going to show us that this is 11 a.m. Tuesday morning, about 12 inches. And then the next 12 hours, another 3 to 4 on that. So this one's a little lower, 13 to 15, 16 inches, something like that, according to that one. GFS, again, this one's showing about 19, 20 inches late morning. It's about 20 inches through Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. It's a lot. And the good old European. This one here, if you go through the color codes, it took me a while to figure this out, but we are right in here, which is about the 22 to 24 inch range. So as you see, most of these are showing a little bit more than what we were talking about yesterday. So I think we can probably go up on our amounts. And remember this from the last video. This is the Weather Service's expect at least this much amount. So they're saying if kind of doesn't go the way we think it's going to go, you're still going to get 10 inches of snow out of this. And they now say the most likely amount is right around 20 to 22 inches of snow. So, yeah, things have gone up. And then they think that the potential for this much is 2 feet. So basically what they're saying is the likely amount is right around the maximum possible. So looks like we're going to get the most bang for our buck out of this particular storm system. And I'd have to agree. I think probably 16 to 22 is probably one of the better bets, and definitely gonna be right in the morning, Tuesday morning for school, which I highly doubt is going to occur, and especially commuting to work anywhere across the middle Susquehanna Valley, lower Susquehanna Valley, they're all going to see about the same. So 2 feet, up to 2 feet around Harrisburg. So it's going to be definitely very difficult Tuesday morning getting around. So that's where we're at, and we'll continue to watch. Maybe I'll have an update later if I get some time at work. And otherwise, enjoy it.